Hand-drawn Hank, yeah!
Hi everybody, it's me, Hand-drawn Hank. Today, it's episode 12! Let's go! Hello everybody, I'm Vincent McMike, and welcome to this night's airing of the Hand Wrestling Federation. We've got a big matchup tonight between Mr. Pinkie Puncherton and the Bull. Let's go to their respective locker rooms now with Nice Bryce Funkytown as tonight's competitors prepare for their big match. Bryce Funkytown, take it away.
Thank you for the introduction, Mr. McMike. I'm here in the locker room with Pinkie Puncherton.
That's Mr. Pinkie Puncherton to you.
Excuse me, Mr. Pinkie Puncherton. Mr. Pinkie Puncherton, do you have anything to say before tonight's big match with your arch nemesis, the Bull?
Let me tell you something, Nice Bryce. When I get in that ring, I'm gonna feed that big baby bull one of my world famous knuckle sandwiches. And when he's done with that, I'm gonna feed him some more. Boom, pow, Pinkie time!
Wow. Okay, but what about the Bull's charging ability and his deadly crystal horns? Are you worried at all? How do you prepare for such a thing as that?
Am I worried? How do I prepare? Let me tell you how I prepare, Nice Bryce. This morning, I went out and I bought a big old T-bone steak. And then I cooked that big old T-bone steak and I ate it for breakfast. Hum, bite after bite, and it was good. So good. Yeah, Pinkie time. So no, I'm not worried at all. When that little crybaby cow comes running at me with his little glass horns, I'm gonna try not to laugh as they tickle me.
Wow. Very colorful words from Pinkie Puncherton.
That's Mr. Pinkie Puncherton to you, Nice Bryce.
Oh, excuse me. Colorful words from Mr. Pinkie Puncherton. And back to you, Mr. McMike. Wow. If that energy is any indicator, we are in for a historical match tonight. Let's see if the Bull has anything to say about his match with Mr. Pinkie Puncherton. Back to you, Nice Bryce Funkytown. Nice Bryce Funkytown here again. This time I am in the locker room of the Bull. The Bull, how are you feeling about tonight's match? Do you know what you're gonna do? Do you have a game plan?
I'll tell you what I'm gonna do, Nice Bryce. First, I'm gonna charge him. Then I'm gonna trample him. Then I'm gonna stick him with my deadly crystal horns. And then when I got him on the horns, I'm gonna throw him out the stadium.
Oh, whoa, all right. And earlier tonight, Mr. Pinkie Puncherton told me that he had a large T-bone steak for breakfast. How does that make you feel? And how do you react to such a statement?
He did what? Let me tell you something, Nice Bryce.
When I'm done with him, he'll be so scared of me and my bovine brethren that he'll be a vegetarian. And you can believe me because that's no bull.
It looks like we are in for quite a match tonight. Back to you, Mr. McMike.
Ladies and gentlemen, it looks like it's time for the match to begin. Here we go!
Both opponents seem to be circling the ring, trying to find an advantage, just trying to find that entry point to see who is going to dominate. Open, here they go! Whoa, an amazing flurry of skill. Take this.
Oh my, it looks as if Pinkie Puncherton has grabbed the middle folding chair.
2.
The bull is responding and has a full-size recliner.
1, 2.
Pinkie Puncherton has brought out a love seat. This is escalating quickly.
1, 2.
I don't believe my eyes, but the bull has brought a sofa into the ring.
Well, Mr. Pinkie Puncherton, that looks mighty comfortable. I think I'll take a seat. 1, 2, 3. That's how you win in comfort. Guess what? It's drawing time! Drawing time! Hi, everybody. For today's drawing time, we're going to draw Mr. Pinkie Puncherton. Here we go. First things first, we're going to draw his big, angry eyebrows, just like this. Boop, boop. Easy peasy. And then we're going to thicken them up. Boop, 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 boop. Just like that. Looking good. Now let's shade those in. Good job. Next, we're just going to draw a circle through these eyebrows, just like this. All right, that looks awesome. Next, let's just draw his eyes. Okie dokie. And the insides. Now, we need to draw Mr. Pinkie Puncherton's mask. So we're just going to draw a line down and down. Good job. And then curve it up so you kind of show his chin just like that. Now I think Mr. Pinkie Puncherton is going to have a frown. So let's draw a frown like this. Good. Yeah. I like it. Good job. Now, Mr. Pinkie Puncherton is a big, strong wrestler, so let's draw his big, strong muscles. So he has a shoulder, whoop, whoop, his biceps and triceps, whoop, whoop. And then we just bring it down whoop, and up whoop, to make his forearms looking good. And do that. And now he has a glove. Easy peasy. Next, let's draw his hands. So just draw his thumb coming out and in. Good. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy peasy. Ta-da! Looking good. We can draw these muscle lines. Yeah. Makes him look so strong. Looking good. Next, let's do the same thing on the other side. We just draw 2 bumps for the shoulder. 1 bump, 2 bumps for the tricep and biceps. Bring it on up. Draw a line. Now that's a forearm and a glove. See? Easy peasy. Thumb out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-da! Now you got a hand. You draw little lines here. Makes it look like he's got the thumbs. Oops, and I missed some spots. There we go. Now we got a big, strong wrestler, Mr. Pinkie Puncherton. And he's got 2 arms. It looks like his underwear is on the outside. Let's draw it. 1 line and 2 lines. Good job. Down and up. Good job. That's it. Big, strong thighs. 1 and 2. Let's do the other side.
1 and 2. Easy peasy. Kneecaps. 1, 2, and straight lines. 2, 2. Look at that. We've almost finished. How about some muscle lines? Yeah. Looking cool. If we draw a line, whoop, whoop. Now it's the tops of his boots. 1 curve, and then a bump for his calf. No problem. Down and around, and you got a foot. This guy is going fast. Same thing. Curve in the front. Down and around, and a foot. Ta-da! And look at that. We just drew Mr. Pinkie Puncherton. Good job! Now, let's color him.
You did great! Way to go! Woohoo! Remember, if you liked what you saw today, don't forget to subscribe below. And this has been Hand Drawn Hank! Woo!
Hand drawn Hank, yeah!